Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing risk. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait a minute or two so capacitors discharge. Next, mount the amplifier where it gets airflow and is close to speaker runs. This reduces noise and heat. Run a properly gauged power cable from the battery and install the inline fuse within 18 inches of the battery. This protects the wiring. Once done, route the power wire along the vehicle frame away from signal cables to minimize interference. Now you connect the audio and ground. If your head unit has RCA outputs, run shielded RCAs to the amp. That prevents hum. Otherwise, use speaker-level adapters. Ground the amplifier to bare metal on the vehicle chassis with a short, clean connection using the same gauge as the power cable for stability. Once wired, set gain and crossover controls to their minimum positions so you can calibrate safely after power-up. This avoids speaker damage and preserves sound quality. With everything connected, reconnect the battery negative and confirm the amplifier's power LED lights. If it doesn't, stop and check the inline fuse. You should play a low-level test tone and increase gain slowly while listening for distortion. This lets you match amp output to speaker capability. Once levels are set, secure wiring, tidy cables away from heat and moving parts, and recheck grounds. If you encounter hum or no output, first verify a solid ground, proper RCA routing, and that the fuse is intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.